friends, welcome to More My Love and I am Shubhoshri. You can also find us at our official website, that is www.moremylove.com. So today, as you can see, that Chandri is with me, and here we have a different kind of video today. It is not about educational video. Yes, it relates to education, but through a game. So you can play this game with your child. The most interesting part means you have to make the things of your own, so that will be a DIY craft and you will enjoy doing that with your child. Along with that, when you will play with that will also add some value to it. So we will play a game of addition or color sorting with the help of this game. So we will be making paper stars today. So we will take help of paper strips. If you have quilling strips, then it is okay. Otherwise, I have just cut a strip that is half a centimeter, and from the normal A4 size papers which we get for printing, right? So we will make a star out of this, like
these stars which are like this.
Yes. So first I will show you how to make the star. So you have to make a knot out of this. You can see like this. You have to make a knot. You hold, this is the paper, and you just bend it and hold it like this. Then take the smaller part and put it from inside the hole like this. So now we have a knot created. As you can see, I hope you can see that the paper has gone through the hole like this. Now I will slowly pull this part. So as I pull this part, the knot is tight enough, means all the corners have met. See the corners have met, and you can press this one with your finger. Rest we will not press it anymore. So now I am going to this extra part which is there. I will just flip it over like this and put it inside the star. So this one is not extending. This one does not extend out of this part. So if it extends in your case, you can just cut it with the scissors. So now you have this a star kind of a shape. Now you keep folding the tail as the way it goes. So when you fold it like this, it comes to this side. Then again you wrap it around. So you want to try that?
Yeah.
Yeah, hold it like this. Yes. Now this side. See, as we are going to turn this, it is going on different directions. Means it is not getting folded on the same directions again and again. So we are about to finish this one. You like to play with stars?
Yes. You can also make stars with a magic wand.
Oh, that's a nice idea actually. You can also make the stars and stick it into your slam book or something which you have, and then make a nice story out of it, which says a story about a magic wand and a princess and a fairy. So like that you can do it. So I have ended up here. As I have rotated, I have ended up here, and now I will put the tail inside. So I think I have to cut a little bit, otherwise it won't go out nicely. So I have ended this part here. What I will put, you can see the slit from here, right? So we will put this paper from inside the slit. So now it's like a star. There is no tail which is left out. If you can see, there is nothing which is left out. The paper is sealed. Now as we have not pressed this with our hand, so we will just hold the corners and pinch. We will hold the corners and pinch like this. All the corners we have to hold and pinch. So now you can see, now it's a star. Can you see it has turned into a star? It's a star.
Like these stars.
So you can make this with the different color papers. We have so many stars with many colors here. So now we are done with making our stars. So now we will see how we can play with these stars. With this we will have two games. One is color sorting game and the other will be counting game. So these are the stars which we have made. If you see this table, this is Chandra's table where she sits to study. So I have laid white paper A4 size throughout this table so that she can draw, she can paint anything, but the table does not get destroyed. I don't like to restrict my child from doing all these things because she is not allowed to paint her walls. So it's better only she can paint her own table, and I can change this paper whenever I want to. So these are the stars, and now if you want, you can tell your child, if you have mixed colors, you can tell your child to just sort all the colors out. So Chandri, can you sort the color?
Yeah.
Do it here.
Purple, brown, red, white, white, brown, white, white, brown, purple, red, yellow, yellow.
I'll let you as well. I need to be quick, quick.
Yes. Where is the red?
Yeah, you can keep it over there.
Red, purple, white, brown, purple. Is that purple?
So these are white, all done, right? So these are yellow, and this is color white, and this is color brown, purple, and red. So now what you can do is you can play with your child a counting game. So you can play a counting game with your child. How? You can just tell your child to add. First of all, for example, if I give 2 brown stars plus 2 red stars. So how many stars are here? Can you count and
4.
tell me? Yes, it is 4 stars. So see how easy it is. You can play with your child and they will be very happy to play this game with you. So I hope it will be very interesting game, indoor game for you and your child to play with, to make the stars. It will be very interesting. Now can you count these stars? How many are here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Good job. So you have seen that how fun it was to play with these stars, and please let us know in the comments that you will play with your child this game or not.